Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we've been receiving a lot of information, and a lot of it is pretty shocking. But this more recent information that we received lines up in terms of dates because it's pretty recent. So allegedly, Randy and another individual named John Axe are named in a Maryland lawsuit. Now, this lawsuit, it seems to have been going on for quite some time, if I'm not mistaken. But it was recently reopened in April of 2022, so just probably like a week or 2 weeks ago. Now, I don't know what the relationship is between John Axe and Randy, but there is several appearances of him and several videos on the Savage Garage channel. There is one here on the Savage Garage clips, and then I found him also in several other videos. Even it says here, John Axe plays a prank on Jimbo and his new Mercedes S65 AMG. Now, if you do some simple Google searches, this is all public records. I just put in John Axe Reckless, and there is a link right here for John Axe. Apparently, he was arrested in Miami on October 13, 2021. He's charged with vehicle homicide / reckless manner. So that's kind of interesting. And what is the relationship between him and Randy, and why is there a recent lawsuit in Maryland that seems to have been just recently reopened a week ago? So there is a lot of questions and very limited answers. And I was hoping maybe these automotive news channels would be discussing this, since that's what they do. That's their specialty, car news. But a lot of it, according to what I've heard, a lot of it is just scripted news. So it is what it is. So again, this information is public. And again, I don't know who John Axe is. I don't know what he looks like. So this is actually what John Axe looks like according to this website right here that I clearly clicked on from Google search. Now, this guy right here looks pretty familiar. Obviously, I just saw a couple clips on the Savage Garage channel, and I did see this individual. It looks like this individual is being charged with vehicle homicide / reckless manner. So that is interesting. Why is this individual charged with vehicle homicide in a reckless manner? And what does Randy have to do with all of this? So there's also another video, because the other one was on the Savage Garage clips. I don't know if that's related to the Savage Garage main channel or maybe not. But some people indicated they actually provided the exact video title of which this individual can be seen in this video. So this is on the Savage Garage channel. This is 2 years ago. And it starts off with crazy update, corrupt Kentucky cop or whatever. And in this video, like throughout the video, you can see that there is a conversation between John, Jimbo, and Randy. So at different times in the video, you do see these three individuals all together, I guess sitting on the sofa at a dealership of some sort. So this is the case right here. This is in the Circuit Court for Montgomery County. And this is it looks like it's between two insurance companies. And the case type is declaratory judgment. Filing date is 7/7/2021. Case status is reopened. And then if you get into the involved party section, you do see the two defendants, John Axe and Randy. So again, most of you and I was kind of like trying to figure out, why is Randy involved in this lawsuit? Well, apparently John was involved in a car accident in Miami. And in that car accident, well, let me just show you. This way, I don't really have to provide my input. The documents speak for themselves. So as you can see here, it says on June 19, 2020, an automobile accident occurred in Miami-Dade County, Florida, involving a vehicle driven by defendant John Axe and owned by defendant Randy. Alona, a passenger in the vehicle driven by Mr. Axe, sustained fatal injuries in the accident. Now, this document is 133 pages. I don't have time to read all 133 pages. So I read couple pages, the first couple pages, And number 17 here, following the accident, the estate of Alona Levisenko asserted claims against Mr. X and Mr. Tillum, seeking damages related to Miss Levisenko's death. Wow. So in Miami court docs, it looks like this is actually a real case. So he was arrested in October of 2021. Intake unit homicide. Again, guys, I'm not an attorney. I'm only interpreting this based on my translation. So, and all of this is alleged, all right? Because there's going to be some folks, they're going to be looking at this thinking it's photoshopped, it's not real. It didn't come from the sources they wanted to come from. It didn't come from their trustworthy automotive news reporter. Again, everyone's going to have all kinds of excuses, but I'm telling you up front, I'm not an attorney, all right? This is all alleged. This is just my opinion. You can come up with any kind of translation you want to come up with. You can reach whatever conclusion you want to reach. This is the information I received. I received a lot more information. It's actually pretty shocking the amount of information I received. This is probably the least amount of shocking information, and it's actually the most information that you can actually find from public sources. So again, this individual looks like he's being processed for some kind of trial, upcoming trial. I'm not able to translate all that stuff is going on right here on these different dates. It looks like there's some electronic subpoenas, just constant updates. But it does say that there is a trial on May 9, 2022. So I don't know if this is going to be a contributing factor to what has happened recently, or maybe it's not. I mean, I'm sure it comes with some level of stress. Maybe that's the reason. Who knows exactly what truly happened and what were the contributing factors. But this is definitely another layer. And as you saw, I mean, he's named allegedly in a Maryland lawsuit. Now, from what I read, again, this is like 133 pages, is that the insurances, well, Randy's insurance doesn't want to claim responsibility. They don't want to pay because I guess for some reason they don't feel like they should be paying. But it looks like John was driving the vehicle. As you just read for yourself, again, you guys can rewind and read for yourself. John was driving a vehicle owned by Randy. So that's how Randy is tied into this case. But again, everyone is free to reach whatever opinion you guys want to reach. And you can do the research you want to do or trust whatever news outlet you guys want to trust. I just thought it was interesting because we don't hear about this from these different news outlets online. But anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Thanks for watching.